Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Informant. If you are new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, education, placement drives, sports, travel, and many more. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do hit that red button so that you get latest notifications first on your screen. Today we are back with a very important video where we are going to discuss about Accenture Preventive Care Program. Yes, this is a new program introduced by Accenture, and in this program, we'll be discussing about three important topics. One is Accenture Preventive Health Checkup, which was there previously, but they have reintroduced this year with new changes from this financial year. Second is new services, that is complimentary online doctor consultation. And third is build healthier habits, that is also part of this new policy. So all these new policies have been introduced in a new application from Accenture. Previously, let it be preventive health checkup. This was only one available, and this was done using Vidal app, and we have made video using that. You guys have watched that video probably. But now the process is completely different. The TPA is different, insurer is different, right? And uh, they have removed this cashless claiming option completely this year. Last year it was like optional. Either you can do cashless or you can claim. But this year they have made major changes. So please watch till end. I'll keep the video quick and try to give as much information as possible in this video. Now, first starting with Accenture Preventive Health Checkup. So first of all, let me introduce you to the new app which Accenture has tied up with this Aditya Birla Health app called Active Health, right? So you can download in your Play Store, App Store. You can see the logo. If you want, I can give you the link of the app, or I can place the QR where you can download the app, right? First of all, download this app. After downloading this app, you need to log in with your enterprise ID, that is Accenture email ID, and your mobile number, registered mobile number with Accenture, and enter the respective OTPs. After OTPs, you log in. Once you log in, you land into this page like this. Okay. As you can see from the left image, first of all, live well at Accenture, explore your preventive health benefits. You can see two benefits over here. First is annual health checkup, screening and immunization. Second is online consultation, right? First, let's click on annual health checkup. If you click on this annual health checkup, right side, you can see master wellness benefits 5,000 rupees available. And if you can see the sublimits, there you can see for diagnostic test 5,000 rupees, preventive health checkup 5,000, and vaccination cover. So either you can use of any of this service, like you can use it for either preventive health checkup or diagnostic test or vaccination cover. They have divided into three subparts. Right. Now coming into the next page, as you can see over here, the inclusions, what all the policy covers, right? The policy covers only annual health checkup as per as package mentioned for self and spouse or partner plus four dependent children. Then annual health checkup available maximum up to, as I told, only for these people. And coverage on cashless basis at network diagnostic center. First, it was like you can do from anywhere, right? You can do from your any of your local labs, and you just need to, claim the bill, upload the bill, and submit the claim, and you will get your amount transferred to your bank account. But from this year, they have removed that. I'll tell you how you need to do and what are the steps, right? First of all, see the inclusions and exclusions. You can read it from your end. Okay, this is simple. So parents are excluded this year also. Last year also they had excluded parents. If you want parents policy, you need to buy, a separate policy for your parents. Other than these things, the policy remains same. Now, when you come to preventive health checkup, as I told you, they have divided into three subparts, and 5,000 each can be used for any of the subpart: preventive health checkup, diagnostic test, and vaccination cover. As usual, when you come to preventive health checkup, when you click on preventive health checkup, as you can see, Apollo Health and Lifestyle Limited, they have their curated packages, like tied up packages with their respective, like they have tied up with Vidal Health and Apollo Pharmacy and Redcliffe. So last year, from whom they had tied up, same are there, but you can book it directly from here. Like lab visit, home visit tests are available. The corporate packages, as I have mentioned in previous videos as well, you can book those private directly from here. Other than that, you can see over the third option from the left side, Econ Care and VH Medical Medcare. So other than this, you can visit any comprehensive nearby trusted healthcare. So when you click on this button, you will get many options. Like it will fetch or ask your location. You need to give permission to your location, as you can see over here, left side. It will ask permissions and nearby locations to which health care centers it has tied up. It will search and it will show you. After it shows, from there you can select that healthcare checkup, and you need to go and do your select your test and do the respective test. So this is the process they have introduced this year. I know it sounds kind of complicated. Last year it was very simple. You can do it from your any of the healthcare center nearby you, and you can just upload the bill, right? But this year they have complicated a bit. But still, if you guys have any doubt related to this process, you can ping down in the comment section. I'll reply all the doubts as much as possible, as possible, right? Just one change over here is when you click on visit, third option, the right side you can see select a package. There are various packages like home visit, center visit. Just select any amount like less than 5,000 or up to 5,000. Then if you turn on the location and if you click on book now, it will start fetching the diagnostic center based on your location. You need to select that and that's it. Visit on the selected date. This is about preventive health checkup, major change, and there is no cashless claim after paying. And if you are thinking like you do the health checkup by paying and then you can claim, this year you cannot do that. You need to do this way itself cashless. It is like entire 100% cashless. This is major change and this is the new app which they have introduced. Second option, as you can see, starting as I told, there are two options: annual health checkup and online consultation. When you click on online health consultation, this is a very good option actually. Many companies were giving, but our company was not giving this option. Now they have introduced this option where anytime you can connect to a doctor with your minor issues. Every time you don't need to, go outside and spend your money. Online consultation. They have given covered majority of the domains where you want and gynecologist uh, for your, internal medicine. Any of the domains, general physician for you. If you have any fever, click on that. As you can see, when you click on that, and if you since it's online, it can be the doctor can be from any city. You can select the time whenever the doctors are available and book, and you can just join the call, share your problems, and they'll give you proper treatment. So this is about online consultation. It's a very good feature, right? Just straightforward. I don't need to explain much. Coming to the third one, they have introduced in the same app. They have introduced new option called Healthy Habits. Like you might have like other apps as well, right? They have, but this is to promote like drinking water on time, like mood tracker, hydration tracker, breathing exercise. Like these things are like lifestyle based things. So you can use this as well. I don't know how much effective it is, but still you can use like you can track, you can upload the picture of your face. It says health scan. So uploading the picture of your face, it will say like what are problems you have. I don't know how accurate it is. And scan your food. What all are your food you are eating? You can scan that and it will suggest you it is good or not. According to your weight, it will calculate your BMI, weight and height. So these things are there. Healthy habits feature they have introduced. Yeah, good. I don't know, but how much? That's all. The quick update, guys. Major change in preventive health checkup, and they have introduced this new Accenture Life Care program. I wanted to update you guys. If you have any doubts, please drop down in the comment section. I will reply to you as soon as possible. And soon we'll be dropping new videos on federal services and internal switch within Accenture. So please stay tuned, subscribe, share as much as possible.